I like to go swimming in the lake and hang out with friends at the beach.
I love that you can swim in it and that you can take a shower and drink it.
Mostly that you can clean with it, because that would be bad.
I love the lake.
It's obviously an incredible resource, and it has a lot of potential for like what we talked about, for business, entrepreneurship, and environmental awareness.
You can sail, you can go swimming, you can go fishing. Like, there's so many things, and it's just like inspiring, and you want to protect that. You don't want future generations not to know it.
I use the lake for sailing for recreational purposes, and without it, I wouldn't really have the opportunity to have the hobby that I have, and it's just freedom out there.
Given our resource right on the lake with a lot of water, we really have to make wise decisions in how we keep our water clean and make it available and drinkable for not just us, but generations future.
Clean water means that there's no dirt, there's no nasty more chemical things in it, and the drinkable water is a water that actually has minerals in it, such as iron and things in it that you could do to taste it.
I guess drinkable water is something that everyone needs and is, I guess, necessary, but clean water isn't necessarily drinkable. I mean, there's different standards on what you'd put into your body and what you'd put on your body, I guess.
20% of the world's fresh water, correct, is here in the Great Lakes. And I've traveled to Africa many times, and seeing the situation there, it was just kind of reinforced how important this resource is that we have.
Industry needs it in order to run. You can use it in the factories through hydrothermal energy. You can use the water for renewables, but you can also need the water just to produce a hamburger. You have to use it the cows eat the grass, which needs water.
Knowing that there are actually so many invasive species, it actually makes me want to join something to help out reduce the amount of these animals so that we can have a better lake system that we can all use as a resource.
We know that there's invasive species. It's one thing to say oh yeah, I know that there's quagga mussels out there, but to say, to actually go and do something about it or to understand the effects that it has on the environment and the water quality, etc., it's something that's an issue that needs to be addressed and can't just be oh, look at the beautiful lake, It's kind of under the surface.
Thanks to the stuff I've learned today, I'm actually trying to become an architect. I would design buildings that use water, energy through fan systems that help reuse the water and recycle the water inside that building. For me, this actually made me realize that there's more to Milwaukee than just the architecture of the art center and the museums. It's actually more of a technological city thanks to the water.
This whole program is promoting sustainable and environmentally responsible use of water, and I'm excited to see where this program goes.